Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today we're working on the camper. Let me show you what I've been doing. So as you can see here, I have everything inside here all insulated and ready to go. Here was my thought process. On the ceiling, you'll see all these boards. I was actually gonna lower the ceiling 1/2 inch. In theory, it was a great idea. In reality, it's not that great of an idea just because this does bow around. And when it does bow down, when it comes here, it doesn't give me much clearance, so I can't get the paneling on over here. It would end up rubbing on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this back out. My thought process on all of this was to put it in, to drop it down just a little bit so I can run wires and stuff, because I will be putting 12 volt accessories in here, like the lights. I guess just the lights is pretty much all. It's gonna be just 12 volts battery operated. But anyway, let me undo a lot of this. I'm gonna retake all these back out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start getting some of the wiring mocked up. So let me get started. And as you can see here, the inspector just stopped by. She's checking out really quick. And she says, I guess I'm doing an okay job. All right, so I'm back. And as you can see, I got all the wood removed off the ceiling. And here's what I did. Because I was having issues with this bend here. I bought some really flexible ceiling stuff. However, it wasn't flexible enough. It snapped a couple times and I was just getting frustrated. So what I did is I actually made these angle pieces here out of aluminum and I riveted them in. So my ceiling is actually gonna come, it's gonna stop, and then it's gonna come down into angle. And then it'll go on down. So that's where we're at. I got the piece of wood that's gonna go on this wall. I'm gonna do that wall first. And then once that's cut down and good to go, then I will move on to the rest. So let me get you set up and I'll get that in. Alrighty, so I got this first piece of wall up here and it's looking actually really good. And then what I did next is I had to run the wires. So there's 3 wires here. I got a light that's gonna go right here. It's gonna be 12 volt LED. I'm gonna put a light up here and this is gonna pop outside. So I'm gonna put an outside light on, and then also ran a light up over here, or a wire for a light. It's gonna drop down. That's gonna be a light for over the dining room table. So I'll have 3 lights in here. One under the table, one kind of in the middle of the bed, and then the outside light as well. So I had to get those on, and this is where I'm at. Alrighty. Here we go. There's one wall completed here. Let's take a step over here and check this out. This actually goes up perfect right there, and then it'll come down. So the way that's setting is just perfect. It's exactly how I wanted it. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, I believe, I still gotta get insulation to put up here. I'm gonna get a roll. Like, I think I already said that, I don't know. I'll just put some bat insulation up there. And then, yeah. I gotta put some more up in there. But anyway, yeah, this is what she's looking like. Looking pretty good. So let me carry on. Alrighty, so it is actually getting late here, and I've been working on this for quite a bit, quite some time, and this is where we're at. This is what it's looking like. I think it's looking pretty awesome. There's a couple pieces I didn't film going in, like that one. My gosh, that was a pain in the butt. And then, yeah, but I got everything else in. I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy about it. The only thing is I don't like these stainless steel screw heads. So when I go to paint this, I'm hoping that the paint will cover it just fine. Yeah, this is where we are at. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. This is actually going to be a wrap for this video. Like I said, it's getting late, so I'm getting tired, and I haven't put content out for a while, so we're going to go ahead and post this and get this all good to go. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, drop them down below. If you get the thumbs up, that'd be great, and then we'll check y'all next time. Peace.